We will continue to conduct joint checkpoints and border control operations to ensure that Negros Oriental is secure. Wherein I am designated as the Commander of Task Force Law Enforcement tasked to oversee, coordinate, and orchestrate all the law enforcement operations in the province with the support of the Armed Forces of the Philippines to arrest the still at large remaining gunmen who attacked and killed Governor Degamo and 8 other persons last March 4. We will continue to conduct joint checkpoints and border control operations to ensure that Negros Oriental is secure while hot pursuit is ongoing. During the continuous hot pursuit operation on March 10, additional 2 assault rifles used by the suspects were recovered in the mountainous area of Bayawan City. Now, a total of 9 assault rifles were recovered and part of the evidence. The national campaign against illegal firearms ordered by President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. gained much headway in Negros Oriental when PNP CIDG confiscated a sizable cache of high-powered firearms, ammunitions, and several pieces of explosives and arrested a number of violators. The implementation of 10 search warrants issued by the court to search a number of residences in Negros Oriental in connection with the continuing investigation of 3 murder cases happened in 2019. Among several subjects of the search warrants were properties reportedly owned by Congressman Arnolfo Arnie Teves and his other associates in the province. Among the seizure in the said operations were 9 short firearms, 8 long firearms, 2 hand grenades and assorted ammunition, magazines and firearms accessories. 6 personalities were arrested while 4 persons remain at large. Criminal complaint was filed against the suspects yesterday at the Department of Justice. This is a continuing activity and it is not only confined in Negros Island but in other regions where loose firearms are reported and private armed groups are known to operate. Our country cannot afford to be distracted anew by pockets of politically motivated violence while the nation is on the road to economic recovery and social development, especially with barangay election scheduled within the next 7 months. Almost 10 according sa 10 or more. So with the recovery of 9 firearms, long firearms as of now, we presume na baka may iba pa silang mga armas na nagdala-dala. So, of course, we wanted to consider them as armed and dangerous things.
So, yung mga unang armas po na na-recover natin, may resulta na po bang ballistic sa cross-examination sa mga nakuha kay Governor?
Yung iba is meron na, no? Gaya nung may mga serial numbers na we were able to identify yung sino yung owner, hindi nga lang yan na-rehistro. So it is considered as loose firearms and we wanted to know paano nakarating sa possession ng mga suspects, ng mga arrested suspects. In the same manner as we are trying also to identify anong klaseng baril, anong make ng baril, so that we would be able also to identify yung supplier kasi bawat supplier ng mga baril may mga identified na mga gun dealers. So these are the things that we are trying to pursue right now so that we would also know how to deal with the different gun dealers. How come these high-powered firearms landed in the hands of these people?
Sir, last question. Sir, napagtagni-tagni niyo na ba kung bakit, based sa investigation, bakit sa Bayawan tumakbo itong mga suspect? May exit plan ba sila ron o may sasalo ba sa kanila?
Initially is lumalabas na yun lang ang alam nila na lugar. Parang yun yung kanilang pwedeng sabihin na rendezvous area siguro because during the initial investigation, nung naghabulan sila paakyat ng bundok, na natagpuan na yung mga naaresto is pababa na sila eh. And ang hinahanap nila ay saan ba yung papuntang Bayawan City. So, ibig sabihin, yun lang ang area na kung saan siguro kung sila pipick upin para sa kanilang exit strategy. Thank you, Mark.
Okay. Thank you. Chris Di Matulak to be followed by